remembered for one thing that during his tenure, at least, if for nothing at all, he brought up the conversation, invited business people, and asked them to start something. Not just starting, but encouraging banks to give them the necessary support so that we will develop our nation. At least each of the banks that will show up are going to pick 5 projects, 5 bankable projects for this year. And they expect that next year when we return to Kwewu, they will invite those 5 people that they helped or assisted to come and testify. So if this continues for the next 5 years, each bank picking minimum 5 people, 5 enterprises to support, the following year doing same, I'm sure by the end of his 4-year tenure, we'll have over 600 enterprises.
Womai aswafo nyina penny Yura Julius Debra na wode nkomoi efra bankesim Jubilee House etwaye
na wo insam fufuro mu no nadmo atorenche mu aboafo metre National Disaster Management Organization openi kwanchafo ya wada adwumakese ano eye retired doctor Joseph Binkanyi Kunyon wade atudwa wachire mu se said ye nyina adwumaku a wonom eye ewiemu pa hunufo aka won tama bomu a wo mahwe mu safi ensuo no ebetopa to na eto no nso ebeyiri pa yiri na yiri nso ebefa ade hye nti wo maboa wo ho Dr. Kunyon Nsemni.
NADMO is ready and very ready because we know it is going to be a very difficult period for us. Rainy seasons always come with their incidents. Before it comes, we prepare and get ourselves ready for it. First of all, we don't wait until the flood comes before. So we do a lot of things before it comes, if it has to happen. So, for instance, we liaise with specifically Ghana Meteorological Service, and we also liaise with the Hydrological Service. These are 2 institutions that give us the information that will give us a picture of what is likely to happen. And so we liaise with these people for information. Once the information is pointing to what are the things that we can do to help us. So we look at the silting and dredging of water bodies and drains and putting the people mind, conscientizing them, especially the staff that are supposed to combat these disasters when they happen.
Ne krokra no Dr. Kunyon Edenesa Bawiye ewabra wechire mu se efiti bra panifo ebo ne dini na aya atorenche mu aboafo na adwumadwumakwei wokoye wopani kwankyerefo no wo hwehwe nkrata mu ehu se yani akasa yesuban bi eka ho afenso wahwehwe mu ahunu se bia wanu betimi enya eye boafo bi anase enwumaku bi amana beso wasene se de beya adehia ye wo mai konkro gada mu nsuo ni yiri ye ya wanu so benya bi ede asoye mu sei eno chemu fai.
I inherited an empty warehouse, but quickly what I did was to talk to some of the trusted suppliers that give us some buffer stock so that we put it down, because we are expecting disaster, we are expecting issues to happen based on the early warning information we are receiving. So let's get you things there whilst we go through the process of reaffirming your contract with the organization, but help us in this regard. When I take over our office, I investigate to find out people who are culpable in wrongdoing. But that is not my worry, because it is my duty to ensure that the office or the organization continues to function or deliver its mandate. And so I've set up some committees to do the store audit. Some are doing transport audit. They will all come out with their reports, and then I will know what exactly happened. Why was it this way when I came in? And those found culpable, by law, we'll deal with them.
Openi kwanchefo wano na oshe National Disaster Management Organization ye twentia efra wanom NADMO atorenche aboafo adwumaku retired Dr. Joseph Binkanyi Kunyon and wadi atudwa kire mu se NADMO adwumaku no wamaboa wom ho sensuo no eyiri fa adehye pe wam so behu kwan a wom befa so aso adehye mu.
If you want call Public Utility Regulatory Commission for wonom aboboa no na eho Kasama for Edema Wonum Era Eric Obutei na wachire die nte du ba bia ya na kane na senso ntumuba na ebi chire jama wonum hyeda atenase timibo wontirim na womode saabo na aba womede hu yabosom anase yebotom na eno na for God and country eho no kure kankwa na ye adwuma bra professor Bochitina se and one penny etwetwe nkomo and wo che se enye se bia wo motena se bo wo mutrim nemom ayesa nansententan eche nketwa na enche akese wo mo ne wo mo a abobew ewo mayimu na wo mo anso nim de ewo nemom no kura dika sasie ansana de etesa na tumi aba na ebinom nso wo hode a mpani no ye ne wo mu dika sasie yi a wo mu ne enkoda no nso wo no mo pe na wo kyerɛkyerɛ mu no na yensa ntwerɛfo nso wo mu gina hodeda.
There are two tariff windows, and the two tariff windows are this: one, a minor tariff adjustment, and two, a major tariff adjustment. In the case of a minor tariff adjustment, the utilities don't present proposals to us. They don't present proposals. In the case of a major tariff adjustment, the utility services provide their proposals, which we take a look at. You understand? But there are two tariff windows, as I said. In the first one, they don't present any proposals to us. That's a minor tariff. And the minor tariff, I said that we use 4 different parameters. The parameters are based on the exchange rate, the inflation, the fuel cost, as well as the generation between thermal and hydro. Those are the 4 factors that we consider when we are doing a minor tariff. And those are just supposed to take care of operational issues. When it comes to major tariff, we consider both capital expenses and operational expenses. And so there are 2 different.
No, Yura Eric Obute, where customer for Edema Public Utility Regulatory Commission. Na ewie no, na Consumer Protection Agency, and also Penia wono, na etua wono man na agema mprempe, wono nso de ne de ba betum, de Yura Obute obobo so no, and wono nso de ne fa etu dwase.
No, if you, for somebody to be on the board doesn't mean that entirely the person is representing them. If you, when you are on the board and you go to a board, the person has to report back to the consumers, and then we tell him what we want. He is representing us. That don't mean that his decision to accept the whatever that has happened, it should be taken hook and sinker. Apart from that, how do you describe a 14% increment as a minor adjustment? But look, go back to the for the past 6 or 7 years, the highest that we had as an adjustment was 8%. We are moving. The last adjustment that we had before 2025 was 3.5%. So if you're telling me that 14% is a minor adjustment, I mean, then the major adjustment will be about 30%.
Eni awoti ye na agema mprempe wanono Consumer Protection Agency or a member.
Abusia Sompa 106.5 FM kasa fide so na wutie na nake jesi no sia bremo kase ya anopa ye de asum wi ye tufa na yakwa kopie mo ewo akuafo a wonom adua koko mu na Ghana National Association of Cocoa Farmers openi kase a wono waya wonom a president eye Ora Stevenson ana ne Boateng na wode atuja akyeremu se koko akuafo de sese ne de wonom taya pai wanum echiremu se koko bo no emra no ayede ebo oman konkron Ghana ho bra mechere 1992 constitution no eno so kabi makoko akuafo pa afei wanum hwemu a sede e wasenke wiase anase manse nyina adwaso wanum to koko no etete so a ebepie mu awo Ghana ha enka yentimi antokura nka nye opepe insia epopepe insia 60 million opepe aduosia menkresa na wanum chiremu se 60 million ni kura san ko mo anyampo a enka wo mo nya 50 mpo na nka jomo fan check wo mo half an so hwan envo fa ma wonom na Ora Stevenson ana ne Boateng e de atoje chiremu se wanum tutu sra aban ada wanum ehwemu se wam se FOB price no enka eyo hamu nchichemu abupan aduoso 70% a wanum hwemu se enko wo mo anya kura e wase ko wo mutimi nya be 80 million se ye hwe FOB price ne pade a enka wo mo de toto ho anka wo mo 80 million wase to koko bag baako adema wo
free on my fufro so enko my fufro nenso se dia akwa ye ne se san hyehye we na koko wantum ne agricos for atom koko etidie ne beba ye kuafo se obi smuggle koko a de omu ka kire ye ne se koko no akuafo na ye koton no wo amanone koko kuani bie ni wa wo sika obetumi di sika ofa sika akoto koko 300 bucks at 3,100.
Ora Stevenson ana ne Boateng eye president at the Ghana National Association of Cocoa Farmers no ne yamani boni ba wa bedu atwetwe nkomoyi
ene ma menko de Kwame Wiredu ato amane ye free Kumase Santemantam mu ho nso Honorable Richard Ofuriageman wono ene ye mayor ewo Kumase Metropolitan Assembly KMA kama na ono anso ne yebɔ no mra na se kinzuba woba akonwa so ene wode de ye nani so ade hunu ne ne botaye ntia mampani bo ne din se wo mra meye meyo ewo Kumase no wode tudwa na no nso Sompa so ya ene wo kan no ene wo che mu se wo ba ma Kumase ate babie ho ye fi nyina be firi ho kanea be ba ma babie ye hyiren krono be firi ho na mum wono ma waye moa ojeja wo mo station kotre no wo namba nkyere bankyere se wonantwie wadwan ana wo mponchi na abegya wo mo a ene kai hunu se enye wo de abio prisafo e de beyen kwan
me maye some go police go ma wo me mpai bon say impie no but upusi ma wo me mpai bon say impie no but upusi mi dudu a obeti me ka wo a te me say ye ka si yemfiri wa yin na ye te me say ye na ye mo a na ye Kumase enti na nye kwa ye ko pepe ya isuwe ye o se ye nye ma amanfo be person be use airport na any opportunities about Kumase
ntiase eno eye Kumase mayor Kinzuba ena ate nene
abusia yetu fa se okwade be hyiamwa ne nsemojabu motu a yakopie mu e wa Ukraine na Ukraine president eye Yewura
Sompa FM
Vladimir Zelensky eno ade krata aba montene na ne yasapo nyina ne se wototo sere America president Yewura Donald Trump enso wonye bibi ne nyina ne se wase wanya ne ntiye se Donald Trump America president akwakoboa Vladimir Putin ewa Russia esanse wone no ekwantiase apam bi na eniema ewose waye Russia fo ehia watimi di adom wamo na wahwinhwehwehwan eboa so ede ama won na yei na owura Zelensky so ekasa wo kire mu se ansa na Putin wo baya sade wei de ama ansa na Trump wo baya sade wei de ama Putin no wasitwa wani ebehwa die Putin aya no wo Ukraine memo wase ena no kwasi adai kura bomb foforo efri Russia ebepie mu Ukraine asase so a enam so ema adehye bese aduasa enum 35 eti nananom ensiedo ema adehye bese wa ha ene edu enson 117 so eprepre mu odene na ebra Zelensky ekasa ene wochimu sei wanu momu de wo huni se de Putin aya na adwene se obeye Russia man no wonya nweyo na ni nyina afiri ena anu asem bi a esisi ye ene adeade a na osidi atwa na wo akora atwa ne nsunu mu ene sei owura Donald Trump abeka kire mu se wande wo hunu se sa bomb ye na anu kwasi adai ekasa ye ewo Ukraine asase so no eye by mistake wasa de uma ye mebusa mu enso wo kasa eye mistake enya from so hwe o sheda pa Putin sheda en wo to sa bomb no ede ba ya enam so ma adehye bese aduasa enum eti nanom ansia bi nto no de ansana Donald Trump ebeye bibi ede ama Russia man no wontwa nani emepe Ukraine empesa de ayaresa bia yase no asupa dan ene de ekeka ho eho eyam se de free Zelensky so ahye ye eba edodo nyina yesu yi na no sia bremu kase ya yato di na ka ejesi kase no yemfansi ne emu ni kom sei epon
eba na sa ye be kyekere Ukraine foforo ene na ka ejesi company limited na de adanse ho ne ma na edom yen enti wonso kone nkyɛn na dodo bi a wohia no onsanka ne ma boefo na papa nso won dan na wie obenya ba bi di utrato no mamunya de Electroland Ghana electronics ne de wo de brand din o ni nyina bi won me wotachiman se sie backso de nkyɛn ho a ho na wo mo bi showroom kese enti kona kokosa broni yade siateka na se yamkura ne tamfo ye ba kompe haxa capsules ene mixture no pay wo kan ye ho na ye som wo ye atwo se wunya ntwi ya ya toothpaste ne brush ene be wawo no pay wo kuta ye mu na ye ba ebe som wo ye na ye de nsem no ba ye ya semufo se mu ma ye no ye triple A mine ejapia apam dada anopai mene
abena bedu adepa kofi
eni yesa no so se efa Sompa 90.7 Nkoranza Sompa 106.1 techime Sompa 98.9 sunwane Sompa 101.3 doma Sompa 93.1 Kumase ena yiko 100.9 Kumase hwa afi Sompa 101.1 takwa Sompa 103.3 takurade ehon so etwagui Facebook no na ye Sompa 106.5 Accra and YouTube yes Sompa FM live www.sompaonline.com and semni nyina gu ho ye nyansori you the friend say Ghana Today online portals no so and some abani ko wankrata ahodo ye de nyina ma wa no pay na ansa na no o de ye na ye hutia wa mra
original architect commandant set expert mua Ghana had the obi any 91.7 FM where alpha and omega eba sciatica obi si akosia sciatica ja sciatica na say hey say yes sciatica say yes sciatica ye nima ye 21st clinic edu de bra bonidi bi a wo pe say yes sciatica say yes sciatica say yes sciatica de nima ne say nerves na wo to ase no eba fa wo semu akosi wo na ase no say mu ka wo dua sciatica sciatica na omo ye commandant researchers expert originators architects a omo ye hu adwuma pa no 21st clinic woni ti pen eti bomodia ne bra na momfamra obi wo ha waka obi o tenasia wasimi ntibi nsore obi nso sore wona mo na wachia eti we die sciatica die esese wo ma ho ye ha papa na ubetu ase so ati ase ade ne die adwuma no nim ya na nim ye o obi anim se 21st clinic woni adwuma no ye woni he obi a obeka se otimi sciatica no o ye fake obi a he hospital bi e beka che o se wono na ye sciatica expert me akosia go aboaje me ka che o se wo ye fake if is original na ankasa no ye sciatica ye suesua na wo sua wo ye dai wo timi no original enye peda se wo sua se de so ate ase wo timi no original anya pe etino etishane so sa sciatica expert say no say mo na munim ye no na munim say ye wo Watermelon Street ye free ho won Tantra Hill runabout no ta wo fura wo de hwe wo free dome na eba eya hwe wonsa nifa so wo bon say wo furo ye na bo 21st clinic bowra ho na ekone ye nso ye nkrabata no so de ye de apete Ghana ye wo branches be ye dunum some and Tantra Hill runabout ye near Kumasi ye was Yanni Tachiman Nkoranza Takura de Tema Kasua ye line no a simple will be at me freebie what the phone mark or Anna Crobefro a 0540-311-311 0540-311-311 now a friend na sciatica expert sciatica expert 21st clinic at them anyway a sciatica mama call it 3 times a sciatica expert 21st clinic how many
Kwa die kuya wo ye de bia na wo hehia poto ho de bia wo no ba ya kose na wo ha ne se
bibi se masase no musade na asom ada de bia na mfudie na ayeba se ya de bia metwem ewo fom ho na wo fo niam ekose na wo fulie enyi pompom na wo secret ni se
wa show oho wo ni wa kese ensu ehu hwe eni da so liquid fertilizer na me dem de mfudie nyina o eni da so liquid fertilizer dra me ne wo enterprise akofade aba na eboa kuafo ankasa wo de beto no ba iso eboa mani nyini from na soche eno kwa ni dra eboa ma no Bible kese ema ne yese oba wa wodi adadua no ade agum na afa wodi nsu agum a amafidie no aye eno ano no na odi apete onoba no so ebre efifie na watwemie no atri na wasanso abo aduro ni eye organic into a how bia eni atri
atema ena teme de wo mu wa
wonu machi enya yura kwan obehu won ewo Kumasi junction woni Angola ene di enhwani
ewo Nkoranza so benya bia to Apia agrochemicals ewo Lordina road no travel line na se wo City of God agrochemicals any SCA wo new market ni edi ani mo hwe anase Francis Terrier agrochemicals asue ni bia obenya bia to wo do ni kire busunya so dependable agrochemicals
obetimi afra 0558006090 and 0504152556 and the soil liquid fertilizer ekriafo ni da so
asunekura trapotokura
ne brain ye wada said the wiemu ebesi akọ Adea fa kwasi good morning. Yeah, kwasi good morning.
Adwumawura masum
yo okay mate kwasi ai ene brada nka kane no ye kan branda si a nsu ayi niti nka anope gidi nanso so ai nansen dia se ewiemu no ne ma biem asesa ne ade a kwasi na ye hwe de
Adwumawura medase na machia atiefo nyina na enso ehwese de ewiemu be ya Adwumawura best you me no ebenya impeachment ewo Nkoranza and
okay
na ekwa nwumre no so de almost chima and one akeka ho ewo.
Hello kwazi aha
na me ka se enne emo no mienu ekobiano na ebenya impeachment ewo bono another for Nkoranza and an important na sa izu almost ebenya omochepa ngi enne temperature no beko 36 degrees Celsius that is the Julius beba be na dwom na wa bodan wia na wia na chese isa tin sun da bantim na wia
okay enti because it's a meteor here area no the be impediment wo ye area ha na mumu no anwumre ho kɔ no de ye expect sensu ankasa beba
anime de bombe ko ebeko one wo sunwan ne important
okay
apart from impediment no we
aha oh okay Matthias pa yo cause
your call has been put on hold. Please.
Sompa Akye Abia, Sompa Radio Yabo Yaba Sompa Sompanie Anyunie, Sompanie Akye Abia, Sompanie Osompapanie, Sompanie Radio Nie, Yabo Yaba Sompa.
Okay, inti ekofa kwasiti eku yasanya babiem yenko Sompa 106.5 na yenko nkofa eye democrat amunsem no naposo no embra
echenam enambi ti se otwen akrantie wansane owio apra samwa bisano ekwan ya fa so suma fidie de che wo mo
ade ntina ho mom na ade mi mfiri
oh debi enya ho na anza mi di kaka sa asamo no nye asemu a eba bro so esa se minimum
okay
ana minim de otimi so
unim se minim fidie sum
debi o minim de otimi ye aha sa fidie sum de minim sum
oh fidie nyene nyana minim sum
de henia meme ka de yapim nkuntunu no
de yapim kuntunu no
ane
eno no de kuntunu ne de menhyeda mpe no sum sa
wo pe de
yes
5 FM de ya pese ya ka kire nyina ye tie ana wo de ye on sa wo di kaka pempen ekopim kuntunu ana wo de ye on sa wo di kaka pempen ekopim kuntunu a wo se eja wa adwo esa se kaka pempen ebu
pen
ma
o de achen dua epim